Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the battery temperature on our Magic V3. To check the battery temperature, go to Play Store and then search for Ampere app. Then choose this blue app with a letter on it and click on install. Then click on open, and now you can click on consent and OK. And here is all of the data about your battery, for example the temperature. You can also change the unit of the temperature. To change it, click on settings in top right corner, then basic settings, and click on this option once, then go back twice, and you can see that it changes the unit of the temperature. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.